I have a Malibu here. We turn our windshield wipers on, and you can see they're not working. One of the things we can do is go up to the front and check the fuse and relay box. I'm going to show you how to get into the fuse and relay box in the front of the car. First thing we're going to do is open up the door. Next, we're going to pop the front. Secure the hood. Once we have the hood open, your fuse and relay box is right here. And then you're just going to pull this. Here, as well as inside the owner's manual. I look to the diagram here and I can see it says 16 is front wiper. So we have our fuse puller right here, so we're going to remove that. And 16 is located right here. It's a 20 amp fuse. I'm going to use my fuse and relay puller, and this one's kind of tricky to get in at, so I'm actually going to use little pliers. Pull that up, and got that out, and usually you can test it by looking at it. So next we're just going to replace this back into the same space. And as I put that in, go back into the vehicle. Now we'll turn our wipers on, and there we go. So if you're having an issue with your windshield wipers, check fuse 16, 20 amp fuse. Still not working. And then you're gonna have to check your wiring or your motor. Hopefully this helps, and as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.